She went to police to report a sexual assault. Less than 24 hours later, she was dead. Now, prosecutors in Bucks County, Pennsylvania say her boyfriend is responsible, charging him with criminal homicide after what authorities are calling a devastating act of domestic violence. This is the heartbreaking case of Yuan Yuan Lu. A Pennsylvania man identified as Yujun Ren has been arrested and charged with criminal homicide, possession of an instrument of crime, and stalking. The charges come after a woman, later identified by family as Yuan Yuan Lu, reported a sexual assault to police and was found fatally shot the very next day. Authorities say the sequence of events paints a chilling timeline. According to the Bucks County District Attorney's Office, Lu contacted the Philadelphia Police Department on Saturday night to report a sexual assault. Officials say she had also attempted to end her relationship, but what happened in the hours that followed would turn deadly. Prosecutors allege that in the early morning hours after the report, Ren began stalking Lu's vehicle. Evidence reviewed by investigators allegedly shows Ren following her shortly before the fatal shooting. According to NBC 10 Philadelphia, ring camera footage captured around 5 a.m. shows a white SUV, believed to be driven by Lu, entering the frame. Moments later, a silver sedan, allegedly driven by Ren, follows behind. That footage has become a critical piece of the investigation. Authorities say it supports their claim that Ren tracked her movements in the hours before her death. At approximately 12:30 p.m. Sunday, officers responded to a call and found a woman sitting in the driver's seat of a vehicle with a gunshot wound to the head. She was pronounced dead at the scene. Police later confirmed there had been a domestic relationship between the victim and the suspect. Bristol Township Police Sergeant Jason Mancuso told reporters that the relationship had taken a turn for the worst and that Lu had returned to her residence in Bucks County. Lu's cousin, Natalie Truong, spoke to local media in the aftermath. "We're still processing a lot of it. It still doesn't feel real," she said. She described Lu as happy and strong and emphasized that her cousin simply wanted to leave the relationship. All she wanted to do was leave, just to leave him, Truong said. She added something especially powerful. "I want them to remember her as a really happy, strong girl. I don't want them to see her as a victim because she wouldn't want to be seen like that." Bucks County District Attorney Joe Kahn called the case a sobering reminder of how dangerous domestic violence can be. "Today's tragic event is a sobering reminder of the lethal nature of domestic violence," he said. He confirmed that Ren was taken into custody quickly and that the community is safe. Authorities also noted that charges were filed within hours of the incident. Ren was arraigned on February 8th and denied bail. He now faces serious felony charges, including criminal homicide. His preliminary hearing is scheduled for February 10. As with all criminal cases, it's important to note that charges are allegations, and the defendant is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. This case highlights a deeply troubling reality. Statistics consistently show that the period when someone attempts to leave an abusive relationship can be the most dangerous. Domestic violence experts often warn that separation or breakups can escalate risk, particularly if stalking behavior begins. District Attorney Khan's statement underscores this painful truth. Yuan Yuan Lu's family says they want her remembered not as a victim, but as a strong, vibrant woman who had so much life ahead of her. Her death is now the center of a homicide case that prosecutors say began with a reported sexual assault and ended in tragedy. If you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, confidential help is available. National Domestic Violence Hotline, 1-800-799-SAFE, thehotline.org. Support is available 24/7. This case is still developing, and we will continue to follow updates as they come. If you want continued coverage on this story and other breaking true crime cases, subscribe and turn on notifications.